Okay, guys, this is it. Hopefully, we can make this work. It says I have 6 unique random comments. So, you got a 1 out of chicks. Start that over again. You got 1 out of a 6 chance of winning this dollhouse kit. Well, it's not really a dollhouse kit, but it is a miniature kit. And you've seen the video and you've made the comments. So, let's start. And who's going to win? Vicky Norvell won! How about that, guys? Well, there you go. All right. So I will get in touch with her and let her know she is a winner. And hang in there, guys. We're going to do this again. I've got a second kit that I want to give away, and it's not as detailed, but it's about the same size. So stay with me. As soon as we get to 300, I will be giving the other kit away. So, Vicky, you have 2 days to get in touch with me in order to pick up your prize, or have me email it to you, or not email. God, I'm so excited. Send it to you. So, Vicky, what is it you said? That's too cute. Sad for the person that missed out on getting it. I can't wait to see who wins. Well, my dear, it was you. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we will be back next Saturday, where I will be making a regular video. Unless, of course, Vicky does not get in touch with me. If she does not, we will retry next week. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.